Howdy there, folks. Today we're talking about a soothing skin butter recipe that works great for treating those pesky stretch marks. This nourishing butter helps prevent new stretch marks and can fade older ones. Keeping your skin moisturized promotes healing and prevents further damage. This soothing butter keeps your skin soft and hydrated while helping to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. The recipe makes about 50 doses. What you'll need is 1 cup of cocoa butter, 4 tablespoons of finely grated beeswax, and 40 drops of lavender essential oil. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Melt the ingredients. In a medium saucepan, gently heat the cocoa butter and beeswax over low to medium-low heat until the beeswax is fully melted. Remove the pan from the heat. Step 2. Add lavender oil. Stir in the lavender essential oil until well combined. Step 3. Cool and store. Pour the mixture into a wide-mouthed jar or tin. Let it cool completely before sealing with a lid. Label and date the jar. Step 4. How to use. Apply a generous amount to stretch marks or areas where stretch marks might form at least twice daily. Step 5. Storage. Keep the butter in a cool, dark place. It will stay fresh for up to 1 year. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.